dirty here. I would eat finish up and whenever is that time of the month, I'm always in the mood to look beautiful. I don't know if any other person can relate, but whenever is that time of the month, I always want to get my nails done, my lash face, like my hair as well, and everything, every part of my body. I want them neat because things irritate me so easily. So I like when I'm neat and well kept. So that is what I'll be doing today. Getting my nails lash sorry, my getting my lash done, and I've already cleared this dirty here and the other side. So let's get to work. So I got some of the things I'll be needing. I got this. I don't think, like, I'm not sure if this is what I would use, and this lash glue. I got new lash palette because look at this one, it's almost finished. Got these ones for my toe, and yeah, so we'll be starting with my lash. I like this. It's shorter than the ones I use, and I like short lash a lot, so which is why I went for this. Okay, time for this. You don't want to see where this thing entered. Is the this just in case I become your wife? get me beauty stuff whenever I'm in the season. Okay, so I'll finish up and get back to you guys.